What is up, all you awesome creative people? Wild here. Ever since I started this channel, I've gotten one question. When you start producing and creating art, how do I start valuing my art or pricing my art or start selling my art? And that question has led me on a journey, and that journey ends here. This book I've been working on for the past 8 months. This is your ultimate guide if you want to start selling art. Welcome to Mastering the Art of Selling Art. This book right here is your guide if you want to turn your passion into a profit. I have worked super hard on this book and I'm super happy with what I put in here. This has my 8 to 10 years of selling experience through art on different venues, live venues, galleries, online, business to business, person to person, friends to family, everything. All my tips, tricks, and secrets are in here. And what separates this book out from all the rest is the fact that I learn and teach differently. I don't like to do a lot of filler like other people out there. I like to get straight to the point. And that's what this book is. I get straight to the point on so many different things, like how to value your art and your time that you put into it, how to start pricing your art for different price points, whether it comes to friends, family, business to business, online, social media, and everything in between and beyond. Then I teach you about profit margins, profit markups, and then I hold your hand when it goes to selling online, selling through social media, selling to businesses, selling person to person, selling at live venues, and through galleries. I cover it all, and I give you all of my secrets in small and easy to understand, but more importantly, digestible pieces of information, because that's how I learn, and I don't want anyone ever to make you feel like selling art is beyond your capability, because it's not. But it can be a bumpy road, which is why I have this book here to help guide you. This is the ultimate guide. Another thing that really separates this book out that I took into consideration is sometimes people don't really guide you through the process. This book is like me literally talking to you and guiding you through the process. I even include some special things like checklists. When you finish a section, there's a checklist that you can always go back and refer to for anything we go over to make sure you're doing those things so that way you're making progress. If you're scared to even start your journey on certain chapters in this book, I have my own personal roadmap that I've laid out for you that you can follow that will help guide and start you on your journey. That's what truly separates this book out. Now, this book, you can get it in a few different places. If you want a physical copy, you can get it on Amazon for $25 USD. If you want more of the digital route, which means you can download it to multiple devices or different devices like your iPad or your iPhone, you can go to my PayHip site, which is still $25. But if you get the bundle set, which comes with the audiobook in case you want my velvety voice tickling in your ears, you can pay up for $30. Or if you just want the audiobook by itself, it's $25. But I recommend actually getting the physical copy or at least the digital copy so you can always reference back in case you need those checklists or road maps. I just want to say I'm extremely proud of this book, and I want to thank everybody that helped me generate the book, and I want to thank you for giving me your time to listen to this. It's hard to promote myself without sounding too sham wowish, if you will, but I put a lot of time and effort and sweat and tears into this and almost pulled out my hair because I'm not the smartest man when it comes to writing anything. I'm dyslexic, and I'm extremely proud of what I have here, and I know it's going to help you. And you can help me by purchasing the book in the links down below. And if you've ever gotten any value out of this channel, consider getting the book because I want it to be an accomplishment for me. I would love to make this within the top 100 or top 50 or top 10 of something on art on Amazon or anything like that. I want to make my mama proud. So let me or help me make my mama proud because that would be an accomplishment for me. So links down below. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you if you buy the book. And some people have even asked if they want a signed copy. If you want a signed copy, let me know in the comments down below and I'll figure out how to do that. Thank you guys so much again. And it's hot in here and more art videos coming soon your way. So go buy the book. Check you later.